Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'll teach you how to get a free Canva Pro account with just a student email ID. So it must end with .edu, and if you have an email address like this method will work for you. So without wasting more time, let's get started with our video. The first step is to open your browser and navigate to Canva. Now we've reached to Canva, and on the top you'll see an option named Education. So now, simply hover your cursor over Education and you'll see all of the options. In this section, click on Teachers and Schools, and then click on the first option, which is just here as well. Then, over here, in the Teachers section, just click on Get Verified. So I'll click on it, and you'll be required to enter your student email ID, the one that ends with .edu. So I'll simply do it quickly now. And as you can see, this banner says, Welcome to Canva for Education, and underneath it, they say, we have unlocked all of the premium features, so let us quickly check. Now that everything has been in setup, we can use Canva Pro. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe our YouTube channel and press the bell icon.